Hello, middle school students. It is the 17th of April. It's our 24th day of the COVID-19 release from school. Today's our last day of completing classes in our emergency classroom. So if you haven't done it, make sure you get it in there by today because on Monday, April 20th, we're going to be doing new classrooms. You're going to be following a different schedule, which you will receive from me. I already sent it out to you once yesterday, but I'm going to send out new information or updated information to you all on Sunday. So you know what classes you have to do come Monday morning and when your Google Meets are with your teacher. So that's going to be really important. That will be coming out to you Sunday. Is how I figured. I don't want to overburden everybody with it tonight. So again, make sure you finish up your last emergency A class activity that's in our spring bridge activities. And I want everyone to have a really nice weekend. And be looking for my messages, these videos in the morning on Monday. On Monday morning, I'll also be sending you a message like this, reminding you what classes you need to take. Middle school students, it's really important that you're engaging. I need you to be engaging with your teachers. So there's been a lot of meetings scheduled, and people are like, maybe I won't go to that meeting. Not a choice. I need you there. These meetings are really important, and so you should be going to your meetings. If I send a meeting, you should come to that as well. That's really important that we're all in this together and we're meeting and having conversations. Some of the meetings you might find really interesting and really be able to get see your friends. So I look forward to talking to all of you. Have a great weekend, guys.